Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters, my subscribers, my followers on this channel and on social media, and of course those who are my patrons help me a lot, and those who use my link to buy their own Tesla. And today we will talk about Tesla in a way, but we're going to talk about SpaceX. I never spoke about SpaceX. I never made one video on SpaceX. And SpaceX is an awesome company, and they're dear to my heart because they actually last year helped launch an Israeli satellite to the moon that almost made it. It crashed at the end, but that's okay. So SpaceX is an awesome company, really awesome. Sends a lot of satellites to orbit, and just last week they sent 60 satellites to help with high-speed internet into orbit. And SpaceX made in this year 2019 made over $1 billion, $1.1 billion, and now SpaceX worth they say $33.3 billion of the worth of the company, which is now a little bit higher than Tesla. Tesla is 32.8 billion, not that much, but a little bit. And obviously Tesla lost 40% of its value since the highest of last year, and the success of SpaceX is astounding, both technologically and financially. Remember, it's a private company. Elon Musk owns 54%, meaning share of the company, as opposed to 20 cents that he owns in Tesla. And a Morgan Stanley, let me just share this with you. A Morgan Stanley analyst by the name of Adam Jonas said that maybe SpaceX and Tesla will merge, just like Tesla and Solar City merged. Tesla took it over for I think $5 billion back in the day last year. So I don't know about that. I don't know. I know that Elon Musk would love, in hindsight, would love Tesla to stay private and not public, because it's just getting heartburn from being a public company from the scrutiny. And I don't know. It's a big undertaking that Tesla and SpaceX will merge. The speculation of who's going to take over Tesla, I made like already 3 videos. Ford, and it's Apple, and it's Amazon. And somebody last week said that Tesla definitely going to be taken over by somebody, just a matter of time. And now this analyst suggests that SpaceX and Tesla will come together. I don't know about that. I really don't know. What do you think? What do you think? This is was a report on CNBC that this might be another way to help Tesla woes, Tesla issues to be resolved by having them in SpaceX, which is a very successful company. But remember, there's something called cannibalizing. So, gotta think about that. All right, guys, let me know what you think. This is a very interesting topic. I read more about it lately because of what's going on with the Tesla stock and all that. Let's see what happens. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys.